Do you know that feeling? You're standing in a locker room right before a match. You've trained hard all week, your body is ready, but your mind starts spiraling. What if I make a mistake on my first touch? What if my opponent is faster than me? What will the coach think if I lose the ball? Most players think confidence comes from simply telling yourself to believe in yourself. But when you step out onto the pitch and the pressure hits, wishful thinking dissolves instantly. The world's best athletes don't rely on luck or hope. They use a completely different mental framework that we are breaking down in this video. Quick heads up before we dive in. As you can see on the screen right now, over 97% of you watching aren't actually subscribed yet. If you want to master your mental game, gain an edge over your competition, and dominate on the pitch, take 1 second right now to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free, and it helps us keep delivering elite performance breakdowns for you. Now, let's look at how to unlock dangerous confidence using your alter ego. The single biggest mistake amateur players make is bringing their everyday personality onto the pitch. In daily life, you might be polite, considerate, and slightly reserved. You want to avoid conflict, stay humble, and be liked. That's great for your personal life. But on the pitch, that mindset makes you soft. It makes you hesitate when you should tackle, and second-guess yourself when you should shoot. Kobe Bryant famously explained why he created the Black Mamba. Off the court, he was Kobe, a human being with doubts, personal issues, and emotional weight. But as soon as he stepped on a basketball court, he transformed into the Mamba, a cold-blooded assassin who had only one objective: complete dominance. Creating an alter ego isn't acting or being fake. It's giving yourself full permission to unlock the traits you suppress in daily life: your aggression, your hunger to win, and your unshakable presence. You leave your everyday self on the sidelines and step onto the field in full armor. So how do you construct this mental alter ego to become unstoppable on match day? It comes down to 3 specific building blocks. First, define the identity and attributes. Give this version of yourself a clear persona. Who are you when you cross that white line? Are you the hunter who aggressively seeks out every 50-50 duel? Are you the maestro who controls the tempo and stays completely calm under pressure? Choose 3 core words that define this persona. For example, relentless, calm, lethal. Whenever you think of your alter ego, these 3 words must dictate how you move and react. Second, establish a physical trigger. Your brain needs a physical cue to flip the switch from your everyday self to your athletic identity. Look at top-tier athletes. Erling Haaland's specific pre-match breathwork routine, players taping their wrists right before stepping onto the field, or putting on their left boot before their right boot every single time. Find your physical anchor. It could be tightening your boots, adjusting your shin guards, or touching the grass as you enter the pitch. The moment you execute that trigger, your brain knows. Everyday mode is off. Athlete mode is active. Third, build a fearless mentality. Dangerous confidence doesn't mean you never make mistakes. It means you don't care when you do. When you play trying to be perfect, you play tight. You play to avoid mistakes instead of playing to create opportunities. A player with a strong alter ego doesn't view a bad pass or a lost duel as a failure. They view it purely as information. You lost the ball? Doesn't matter. Immediate counterpress. You missed a chance? Doesn't matter. The next one is going in. When your opponents realize that mistakes don't break your focus, but only make you more aggressive, you've already won the mental battle. Here is how you apply this in your very next match or training session through a structured pregame routine. Step 1. The locker room phase. Put on music that puts you into a state of absolute focus. Use visualization. Close your eyes and see your alter ego handling high-pressure moments with ease, making clean tackles, and playing with total freedom. Step 2. The activation moment. When you're putting on your match kit or walking through the tunnel, execute your physical trigger. Mentally leave your everyday self behind in the locker room. When you cross that touchline, you are no longer the quiet, polite guy from everyday life. You are the competitor. Step 3. Total commitment. Give yourself permission to make mistakes, but promise yourself 100% intensity in every single action. Never hesitate. If you make a decision, commit to it fully. Confidence isn't a natural talent that you are either born with or without. It is a mental muscle that you must train every single day. Start shaping your alter ego today. Build your triggers and take control of your mindset. If you want to take your mental game to the next level and work on your performance, check out the links in the description below to join our Discord community and apply for private coaching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're ready to dominate on the pitch. See you in the next video.